Hello everyone, today I'm going to make this pearl earring, which is easy to make and can be made by novice. Pearl and gold beads are 3 millimeters, but you can also use 4 millimeters. You also need O-shaped chain. I'm afraid it's just right to wear a needle. This is a 6 millimeters pearl, and you need a 5 millimeters or more opening ring and ear studs. Connect the 0.3 millimeter soft wire used for the pearl. First cut the O-shaped chain into 6 small strips of the same length. Here I have 6 3 millimeters pearls. If you like my videos, please appreciate my efforts by liking this video and share your love in comments. Add a 3 millimeters gold bead. Do you see the previous connection line? Still pass through this pearl. Add a chain. Make a flower bud. In the same way, make another flower and connect the two flower buds. First pass through the middle position, and then connect the chain of the other flower bud. Cut off the chain after the knot. In the same way, connect another flower. Now connect this 6 millimeters pearl. Use the soft wire to add a pearl. I use 12 millimeters. Add an opening ring here. It's almost done. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Goodbye.